All right, let's dive right in. Today, we are completely transforming your breakfast routine with a recipe that's as gorgeous as it is energizing. It's called the Golden Hive Sunrise Bowl. And honestly, this isn't just a meal, it's a 5-minute upgrade to your entire morning. You know the feeling, right? The alarm goes off, your day is already screaming for your attention, and breakfast just becomes an afterthought. Maybe it's a sad piece of toast, maybe it's just coffee. I mean, it gets the job done, but is it doing anything to make you feel good? Probably not. Well, guess what? That's all about to change. We're going to build a breakfast that literally looks like a sunrise in a bowl, feels like a real burst of energy, and, get this, takes less time to make than hitting the snooze button a couple of times. Okay, so let's get into the good stuff. To craft this little masterpiece, you only need a few simple but really powerful ingredients. Think of this as your toolkit for starting the day off perfectly. So here's what you're going to need. First, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and we'll talk more about which kind in just a minute. Then, 2 tablespoons of raw honey. We'll split that up. Next, half a cup of sliced strawberries and half a cup of fresh blueberries, plus half a banana sliced. And for that all-important crunch, you need a 1/4 cup of granola, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 tablespoon of chopped nuts, almonds, pecans, whatever you love. See? Super simple. And now for my favorite part, putting it all together. The real secret to making this bowl amazing isn't just what's in it, it's how you build it. And trust me, it is all about the layers. So let's do this, step by step. First things first, we need a foundation. So go ahead and spoon that 1 cup of yogurt into your go-to breakfast bowl. This creamy, cool base is basically the canvas for all the deliciousness that's about to happen. Next, take 1 tablespoon of that honey and drizzle it right into the yogurt. Now, here's a little pro tip. Don't just mix it in completely. You want to stir it really lightly, just enough to create these beautiful golden swirls. That way, you get a little hint of sweetness in almost every single bite. All right, now it's time to paint our sunrise. Go ahead and arrange your sliced strawberries, blueberries, and banana right on top of that honey-swirled yogurt. Seriously, there are no rules here. You can make neat little rows, a cool pattern, or just scatter them around. This is where your breakfast starts to look like a work of art. Okay, time to bring in the texture. Sprinkle that 1/4 cup of granola all over the fruit, then follow it up with that tablespoon of chia seeds and your chopped nuts. This is the layer that gives the bowl that incredibly satisfying crunch and some real staying power. And now for the grand finale. Take that last tablespoon of honey and just give everything a final glossy drizzle right over the top. It looks beautiful, it ties into that whole golden hive idea, and it adds that perfect last touch of sweetness. So let's talk about that yogurt base for a second, because you've got a really great choice to make here. If you want a breakfast that's packed with protein and is going to keep you feeling full all the way to lunch, Greek yogurt is your best friend. It's thick, it's tangy, it's perfect. But if you're dairy-free or you just want a different vibe, coconut yogurt is an absolutely fantastic option. It gives the bowl this slightly sweeter, kind of tropical flavor, and the texture is even creamier. It's so luxurious and delicious. So, we've built this absolutely beautiful breakfast, but this bowl is so much more than just a pretty face. It is specifically engineered to be the perfect fuel for a busy day, especially when you need your brain firing on all cylinders and your energy to stay high. First up, you're getting all the power of those plants. The fruit is just loading you up with essential vitamins, fiber for great digestion, and a bit of hydration to start your day off right. And that honey? It's not just empty sweetness. It's a source of natural, quick energy and some really powerful antioxidants. But how do we make that energy actually last? Well, that's where the rest of the bowl comes in. All that protein from the Greek yogurt is what makes you feel full and satisfied, which helps you avoid that dreaded mid-morning crash. And those chia seeds and nuts, they're giving you healthy fats, which deliver slow-burning, sustained energy to keep you sharp and focused for hours. Now, are you feeling a little extra adventurous? If you really want to lean into that golden hive theme and add another layer of superfoods, the source material has this great little suggestion. Let's just call it the Beekeeper's Boost. For a really authentic touch, you can sprinkle on about a teaspoon of bee pollen, which is just packed with nutrients, and maybe add a tiny drizzle of creamed honey. It has this incredible thick texture and a more intense honey flavor. It's just a simple way to take your bowl to the next level. You know, this quote really just says it all, doesn't it? It perfectly captures what we've just made. A breakfast that is vibrant, absolutely packed with nutrients, full of fresh fruit, and sweetened just the way nature intended. It's total elegance and simplicity in a bowl. So the question really isn't if you have time for an amazing breakfast. The question is, how will you craft your sunrise? Are you going to swap in raspberries instead of strawberries? Maybe use walnuts instead of almonds. This recipe is your template for a better morning. So go on, make it your own.